Hi, it's me, Lottie, and good morning. I am just getting my day started, or at least trying to, because I have not had my coffee yet. And because I've been doing a lot of thinking around the best way to spend my time and my money, and thinking about things such as sustainable living and zero waste lifestyles, and really determining how I want to invest in myself and others, I have been doing a little work around creating a coffee shop environment in my house. Now, I do still sometimes like to get up, get out, go to the coffee shop, do my work there. I like to people watch, and I like to support independently owned businesses. There are a few coffee shops that I really love to support because they're independently owned. And of course, they do a fabulous job at what they do. But the days are gone when I used to bop into a coffee shop, I'll admit it, 3 or 4 times a week and buy a latte. So I just wanted to share with you my process for having that coffee shop experience at home and give you something to consider. All right, let's go. First, you want to start with some nice filtered water or distilled water and bring it to a rolling boil on the stove. Then you're going to have a coffee of your choice. I am loving Peet's Big Bang right now. Mm-hmm. Awesome. Coffee grounds are great for adding to your compost. It keeps it from smelling bad, like literally no smell if you add coffee grounds to your compost. So I went on and invested in a French press, and they're available at a lot of different prices. So it is an investment. Now, what is not to like about this homemade latte, right? What is not to like about that? Now I'm going to take my homemade latte over here to my little makeshift workstation for the day, do some planning for the upcoming week, because you know I'm always trying to be organized. So I hope that has given you some inspiration and some ideas. I would say to do what you can when you can. It took me a while to piece together all of the supplies and to even figure out what kind of coffee I liked. And so, you know, have fun with it if it's something that interests you. And I would love to know what your coffee preferences are or how you go about making your own coffee shop versions of your favorite drinks at home. You could always add flavored syrups and, you know, all kinds of things to make it even more of a coffee shop experience. But that's my morning routine some mornings, and I really enjoy being able to kick my day off. I don't have to go anywhere, drive anywhere, and the investment, when spread over time, I feel like is minimal and worth it. So, as always, I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will see you at the next video. So, until then, take care.